Alright mga kabuhulanong Canadian vlog, this is another year of school. Third day of classes, right? Third day of classes.
Yes.
Okay, say something to your viewers.
Hi, viewers. I'm finally in grade 4.
Very good.
This summer, went to Saskatoon to get my supplies.
Actually, Jackson will taking his dad to school, right?
His dad taking Jackson to school?
Yeah.
He said Jackson taking his dad to school.
Oh, his dad taking him. Because daddy concentrating the drivings. That's why. So with me is her sister or siblings. Say hi there. Hi.
Say hi.
Very good. So Shailesh is my oldest grandkid, and I have other grandkids. I have 4 grandkids, you know.
And it's me, Jackson, and
Nali.
Scarlett and Natalie.
Yeah. And of course, this Moklo. You know Moklo? Here. Come here, Moklo. Come here. This one, Moklo. Hey. Family friend. Family pet. Ayan, no? Masaya mga buhulanong Canadian kapag kasama mo yung families mo. Especially apo. You know? Oh my God! Wow! So how many times you going to Philippines? We divert here. That's okay. We should go there.
What do you mean?
Planong Canadian, ano yan passenger, pedestrian lane. So ang truck na nasundan ko ay nag-stop sila automatically yan. For safe. Ito yung ano nila, yan yung mga bata nagbike. Alright. Binigyan nila ng daan. They gave way for a safe passing. Alright. Ayan mga buhulanong Canadian vlog. Kailangan mag-aral ng mabuti. So how's your school in first 2 days?
Good.
Good.
The very first day I was very early.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's fine.
Is Jackson okay?
I think so, yeah. Or maybe he's still sleeping. Oh, he's still there because his dad's car is still there. Nope. Where we go now? Maybe we go here. Usually there, but we can't. Oh my goodness. No, this is space because it's like it's a car, right? Because those there is not like Paw Patrol. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Sing. Have you anyone? Oh my God! Ayan mga bola nung Canadian. After na nahatid namin yung ate niya, ito naman siya. Punta kami rito. Tapos sumasakay siya ng kumakanta siya ng Baba Black Sheep. Can you sing again? Oh my God! Very good, Baba Black Sheep. Have you anyone? Yes sir, 3 bags full.